Okay, so in our last video, we unboxed this guy, and we've had this thing for a while now. Now we've got another plush.
Welcome to mine.
A new plush to unbox, so we'll get that done real quick.
We're just gonna, okay, so we're gonna just pull it out. Alright. Here we go. Is it? It's upside down, I think. Oh, no, no. Wait, no, it isn't.
Open it up.
Yeah, alright, here we go.
And it's Papyrus.
Papyrus.
Yeah, he's very tall, actually. Just compared to Sans, yeah, he's very tall.
It's kind of accurate.
So, unbox it real quick, or unbag it, I guess.
I have a technique. There we go. That's it.
You
That's
really don't,
literally it, and then you just open it.
It's really not a technique.
I do. There we go.
I expected it to be smaller, but it's actually more accurate since it's so big. It's a very tall, I believe it's 12 inches.
Alright, here we go. So here we have
Look at the size of that.
Papyrus.
That's a bit, like here's a hand to head comparison. Very.
So here's
very
the tag if you want to see it. I like this. It looks cool. So here's that, and then we have Papyrus's hand. Oh, there's actually something down there.
Oh, there's not. It's just a little detail.
Anyways, here's the little scarf. Now, I know. Wait, no, never mind. But this is cool. I mean, and when he's out of the bag, it's a lot shorter, I think.
But he's still very tall in comparison. So now we have 3 Undertale characters for videos. I'm not sure how we're gonna do that. I don't know how to put these guys in videos.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it out somehow. But now we have 3.
So,
See you guys later.
leave.